What's good, YouTube? Yeah, look, we're going straight into it. Look, I'm telling you, take a look at these pins right here. You see these pins? You see the top pins? You're going to make them match, all right? So what I'm going to show you here is pretty much how to de-pin this. You're going to pop off that white cover that you saw in the previous picture, and you're going to start off with removing the power cables. So this connector here I got from eBay. I think it was like 12 bucks shipped. And what I'm showing you is how to pull the pins out so you can remove. See? Boom. It's removed. So pretty much you're going to take one pin at a time and you're going to transfer it over to your other connector. See? Boom. One at a time. One at a time. So that you don't mess this up, because you don't want to fry a computer or mess something up. And over here I'm showing you again, this is the white cover that you're supposed to pop off. So I'm just going back over it. You're gonna take a little pick and it's gonna go at the corners, and then it's gonna pop off. I think I'm just bringing it back because I didn't cover this in the beginning. So there you go. And also, I know I didn't cover this, but as far as the harness, moving the harness, as you see, I got it all taped up and organized. It's actually fairly simple. The harness already is pretty long, so just peeling it back and uncovering some of the factory tape is going to allow you to move the harness back where the battery used to be, because that's a location where I'm putting it. You know, some other people move it to different places, but this is going to work out really simple for you. All right, we're at the home stretch. So this is what we're looking at. So all the wire has been transferred over, as well as the little packings, the little gray weather packings that's supposed to like stop dust and moisture to get in the connector. So all those I transferred over. It's fairly straightforward. So this is where we are. You can double check just to make sure everything is in the right place, but I went row by row, one at a time, to make sure I didn't have to put anything on paper. So if you just go one pin at a time, you should be good. So the last part now is just reinstalling this retaining clip, and that's it. That's the whole shebang. So let's see. There it is. All right, peeps. So this is what you're gonna want to see. You want to have your new connector with all the pins removed. All the pins removed out of it, because that's going to make it way easier to transfer over all of these, because you see they're not actually all in line. So you have one place where there's 2 missing, then you have a row of like 10, then 4 or 3 missing, and then a row of like 5. So this actually helps to do it. So you're gonna go row by row, and you're gonna repin the new connector. And that's pretty much it. So in a few minutes, I'll show you what it looks like after it's all done. And that's a wrap. All right, sunshine. So if you made it this far, it's because you really need the help. figuring this out. But at this point, there's a part 2 coming up. I'm gonna show you how to do the install of the actual ABS unit in this new location and run the lines and all that good shit. Here we go.